Shadows stretch across the empty room. Your scent lingers softly, fading soon. The city hums a quiet lullaby. I watch you close your eyes, no need to cry. Moments pass like whispers in the air. Time won't wait, yet I'm already there. When this night ends, you'll walk away, but I won't feel sorrow. I won't stay. A gentle smile, though the world may turn. I hold no grief, only lessons learned. Windows glow with lights I cannot touch. I trace the memories. The echoes of our laughter fade like rain. Yet in this calm I feel no pain. Moments pass like whispers in the air. Time won't wait, yet I'm already there. When this night gentle smile, though the world may turn. I hold no grief, only listen. Chair still faces where you sit, like it's waiting for a sign. Nothing moved, but something's missing, and it's louder every time. Your silence fits the room too well. It learned the shape of you. I don't search, I just notice what the day can't help but do. I don't reach for your name, I let it come when it wants to. Every second learns your absence in a way I never taught it to. This is where you used to be, not gone, just out of frame. Every moment slows down slightly when I feel that empty space. I don't call it loneliness, it's softer, it stays kind. Just the weight of now reminding me you're no longer here in time. Morning enters without asking, touches things you never see. Cup stays where it always was, like a memory pretending to be. I years, but the air feels incomplete. Even quiet sounds unfinished when you're not around to hear me speak. This is where you used to be, not gone, just out of frame. Every moment slows down slightly when I feel that empty space. I don't call it loneliness, it's softer, it stays kind. Just the weight of now reminding me you're no longer here in time. I'm not waiting for you back or trying to move ahead. I'm just standing in the moment where your absence quiet.